Sketches on the table, pencil dust in the air. Just me and my thoughts. I've been drawing on my paint in the silence. Black and white lines, but the feeling colorful, vibing. Every little shadow got a story inside it. Blank page looking empty till my soul start writing. Pencil on the paper like rain in the dark. Every single sketch got a piece of my heart. No diamonds on my wrist, no expensive art. Just a wooden pencil and imagination sparks. People talk loud but the room stay quiet. Only hear the scratch when the mind gets tired. Cross-hatched dreams while the moonlight shining, turning broken thoughts into perfect time. And I draw my dreams with a pencil tonight, sketching every memory inside my mind. Lines and shadows help me feel alright, lost in the art while the world goes by. Yeah, every page got a piece of my soul. Every sketch help me heal when I'm low. I don't need gold, just paper and a pencil to glow. Yeah, late night coffee with the lo-fi beat. Headphones on while I'm drawing in peace. Every eye that I sketch feel alive to me. Like emotions on the page, finally breathe. Smudge marks all on my fingertips, still chasing visions that don't exist. Sometimes life feel heavy like graphite sticks, but art got magic when reality shifts. I was down bad, stressing my brain. Now I draw clouds just to soften the rain. Mountains, phases, flowers in the frame, turning quiet moments into something insane. And maybe one day these little sketches gon' fly away from my bedroom to a gallery wall. But even if they never blow, I still love every line that I wrote. I draw my dreams with a pencil tonight, sketching every memory inside my mind. Lines and shadows help me feel alright, lost in the art while the world goes by. Yeah, every page got a piece of my soul. Every sketch help me heal when I'm low. I don't need gold, just paper and a pencil to glow. Just me, a pencil, and 1,000 unfinished dreams. If you love, go subscribe right now. Follow the journey, we're drawing dreams somehow. One pencil, one page, one vision to chase. Welcome to my little creative space. Yeah. Late nights, headphones, lo-fi in the room. Pencil moving slow while the city lights bloom. Every line I draw got a feeling attached. Every tiny shadow got memories trapped. I don't flex cars, I don't flex chains. I just draw emotions when it's stuck in my brain. Blank paper turned into something alive, like the art inside me finally survived. Smudges on my hand, graphite on my sleeve, still drawing every dream they said I couldn't be. Sometimes all you need is silence and faith, the pencil in a heart that never fades. And if you feel inspired tonight, hit subscribe and stay for the ride. We turning sketches into something real. Every line got a story you can feel. Draw my dreams in black and white, stay awake creating every night. If you love this vibe, don't forget to follow more art, more music, more dreams tomorrow. Subscribe if you feel this flow. Every sketch help the pain let go, from rough lines to beautiful souls. We making art while the world moves slow. Yeah, I've been sketching faces under moonlight glow, trying to draw feelings people never show. Every eye paint got sadness inside. Every smile hiding tears they disguise. People scrolling fast, but I hope they stay. Maybe this little art make the stress fade away. Maybe one line could inspire a kid to pick up a pencil and finally begin. No fancy studio, just passion and grind, creating little worlds from the depths of my mind. And every new follower mean more than views. It means somebody out there feel it too. So if you're chasing dreams, don't stop now. Every masterpiece starts with one small line. Somehow draw my dreams in black and white, turning pain into art tonight. If you love these sketches, follow me now. We'll keep creating, I promise somehow. Subscribe for the art in the chill rap vibe, or peaceful moments every time I write. One pencil, one dream, one life to show, and we keep drawing while the world moves slow. Yeah. Hit subscribe, and let's draw the world together. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn the music up a little. Grab your pencil and just vibe with me tonight. If you love art and music, hit subscribe and stay a while. Yeah. Rain tapping softly on my window frame. Late night sketches while the city fades. Headphones on, I escape the noise, turning empty pages into something poised. Graphite shadows dancing in the light. Every line calm, my rest is mine tonight. No pressure here, just dreams on paper, trying to build a better life layer by layer. I draw mountains when my soul feels low. Flowers bloom every time emotions flow. Music in my ears like therapy. Art and melody healing me peacefully. So stay a little longer, feel the vibe inside. If this music calm your heart, come take this ride. Draw the night away with me, lo-fi beats and peaceful dreams. If you feel this energy, subscribe and join the family. One pencil line at a time, turning dark skies into shine. Music and art set me free. That's where I'm meant to be. Yeah. I don't need fame, I just need peace. A quiet little room and creative release. Sketchbook filled with unfinished thoughts. Every mistake become lessons taught. People scrolling fast through another day. Maybe the small drawing make them wanna stay. Maybe this beat helps somebody breathe. Maybe these words help somebody believe. Soft bass knocking while I shade the trees. Moonlight glowing through the autumn breeze. Every tiny detail feel alive somehow. And I'm still chasing bigger dreams right now. If you got a dream, don't let it fade away. Even masterpieces started with one simple shade. Draw the night away with me, chill rap vibes and memories. If you love this art and sound, hit follow, don't leave now. Every sketch got a story to tell. Every beat breaking me out of this shell. One page closer to destiny. Music and art forever with me. Relax, draw, create, and I'll see you in the next sketch.